Hello, welcome to Hishin's Diaries. When boredom quietly crept in, my friend and I made a spontaneous decision. A simple plan to travel to Nilambur. And just like that, the journey began. I've traveled to many places, beyond, but somehow, the Shoriner to Nilambur route has always held a special place in my heart. There's something deeply comforting about this journey. It carries a sense of home. On routes like this, a warmth we don't just travel, we dream, we reflect, and we rediscover happiness in the smallest moments. It reminds us that